Good morning, Linted people in the planet Earth. Welcome my own YouTube channel at Jupiter Requisa. I'm already right now in the memorial of Maragusan. Was already my late father, Herodito Requisa. You see my own? You see that one? To make sure it's already proved. This is man. It's my own greatest father. Born July 16, 1938. Died February 26, 2019. You see? To those people, you also fabricating to my own father. You're liar. God knows everything, not yours. Arigato gozaimasu. Hi. Right now it's already rainy. You see that one, the mountain, like the Snake Mountain. Thank you for watching my own YouTube. Thank you for the truth and the right path. Merry Christmas, everyone, to all the rented people on the planet Earth. Bye bye.